2020 Rapid Fire with Raina Kapoor. Here we start.
जब उनके सामने कुछ गलत होता है, उन्हें पता है वो गलत है, फिर भी कोई आके कुछ बोलता नहीं है, कुछ करता नहीं है. सो इट हैपेंस सो कि जहाँ पे चैलेंज नजर आए, यू शुड टेक इट अप.
First thing that comes to your mind when I talk about marriage.
यू कैन बी ओनली सक्सेसफुल जब आप दुनिया को नहीं,
How do you see competition?
तभी हम सब खुश हो सकते हैं जब हम सब खुश हो सकते हैं. नारी एक शक्ति है, उस शक्ति को मिसयूज नहीं करना चाहिए.
Welcome to TSR's 2020 Rapid Fire with Raina Kapoor. We just had a walk the talk with Raina. We discovered the divine child in her. We saw innocence personified, a true devotee, a very, very passionate, compassionate human being, a very balanced person who knows how to keep work and leisure in its right place. So 2020 Rapid Fire with Raina Kapoor. Here we start. Raina, a moment or idea that changed your life.
So the moment, the best moment that I would define is that when I actually realized what love is, and I turned into a vegan from a hardcore non-vegetarian, and that was a bliss. That was my life-changing moment.
Turning into a vegan was a religious call or driven out of any astrologer's suggestion, which what we call superstition, or maybe spiritual discipline, or it came from within. It was a awakening call.
It was, veganism is, it's not just any trend. I never followed any trend for any like any celebrity, nor it was a religious call, and it was something which was coming from inside, and I had many reasons to go vegan. You can say that walking on a spiritual path changed my motto of life, and that's how I decided to become a vegan, because I fell in love with everything almost. So yes.
Great. A law in India that you would like to enforce.
Actually, Indian Constitution, we have beautiful laws, but actually if we try to enforce all of them, that'll be a good move. But initially what I'm actually studying, that is PCA 1960, which is Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, and Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which is eventually making a society a better place, health-wise for human beings. It is cutting down crime rates, and for many other reasons.
True.
So if I would really like to enforce something, then I would definitely stand for those who cannot speak by themselves.
True that. Have you ever broken the stereotype rules of society, the law, the rules that had become a part of our lifestyles due to any reasons?
बहुत बार.
बहुत बार.
बहुत बार.
To name a few, or just one or two.
In 2001-2, when I entered in this industry, events mein, it was a totally men-dominated world, and people never expected women walking out and working in these roles. But it was one of the things which I really wanted to do, and I really, it happens so कि जहाँ पे challenge नजर आए, you should take it up.
Be a fighter to the core.
Absolutely.
Raina, a fighter to the core. She gate crashed, shattered, dismantled, and devastated the ugly face of the male dominant and a chauvinistic society where women were never imagined they could ever come. Moving on to our next question. Intolerance in India, reality or overhyped?
I feel it's both actually. For me, if it's overhyped when I see people, जब उनके सामने कुछ गलत होता है, उन्हें पता है वो गलत है, फिर भी कोई आके कुछ बोलता नहीं है, कुछ करता नहीं है. So that is something which I really feel that they are super tolerant. They are okay with wrong happening till the time it happens with them, which is not correct. And obviously, sometimes not everybody is same. So India is a very big nation with billions of people around. So there are circumstances where people who do not know, and they are being, aggravated, and they are pushed to being shown up that they are not tolerant, which is also misled by many other people also, and misused as well. So that in that ways it's intolerant, but most of the people which I see, they're very tolerant.
But there are ideological clashes in India today. There are sections, not all, but there are a group of people who are provoking hatred and ideological warfare is on. Oligarchy in India. The most talked about, the most debated, and the most one of the biggest allegations on the governments, whether be it state government, be it the union government. How true it is?
My perception, it is true if we see in one point of view, but if we see holistically, then everybody is a part of it. But if I see only one few people, which is as per what your context, then I feel it is true somewhere.
All right. One noble act for which you can happily cheat, lie, or go to any level for.
Okay, so I think I can...
A noble act.
A noble act, I think I can do this for saving an innocent's life. So yeah, for saving any innocent life, I can go ahead and do anything.
One word or a one-liner, a rapid fire.
Okay.
First thing that comes to your mind when I talk about marriage.
It's an arrangement.
All right, arrangement as in a divine arrangement.
It is an arrangement where both of people have to make sacrifices.
All right.
For sure, and definitely it is an arrangement in which you work towards happiness of each other.
Ego-free arrangement.
Should be that way, ideally.
That's the only way, rather. How do you see competition?
Stupidity.
Ambition.
To make people happy around you.
All right. Religion.
Spirituality.
Chaya. Politics.
Pass.
Money.
Vibration and necessity.
What is more important to you, peace or power?
Definitely peace.
One word for the following. Divorce.
Pass.
Love.
Highest vibration you can ever be on.
Passion.
Success and service.
All right. India.
Motherland.
Goa.
Vacation.
Wine.
Grapes.
Coffee.
Good vibes.
Sleep.
Must.
Are you an early riser or a night rider?
Both. If I have events which are happening late nights, then definitely I sleep late. But I prefer waking up early and utilizing that Brahma Muhurat for manifesting things.
Great. Dine out or घर का खाना?
Ghar ka simple food.
Religion in India, is it dharma or a fear factor?
My point of view is definitely dharma. I don't know about the rest.
Beach lover or a hill lover or both?
Both actually. Nature is around everywhere, so nature is beautiful.
Intelligent enemy or a foolish friend?
ये भी दोनों ज़रूरी हैं, but of course somebody intelligent around is always appreciated.
True that. What would you love to do more, cycling or running?
I was an athlete, so definitely running.
Running, all right. One day if you wake up as a Prime Minister of India, what would you do?
बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है. सिर्फ एक चीज़, तो फिर वो पक्का है कि I'll be trying creating awareness about the kind of laws that we have, trying to create a memento, awareness and participation of people. उसी से सब चीज़ें बदल सकती हैं. सिर्फ एक मोटो से कुछ नहीं होगा. We have to really inculcate that kind of energy in people. So that is very important. So for implementing anything, this is must. So I will really want people to participate. Democracy at the true best. There we will go and succeed. So I'll try and do that.
Bravo, agree on that. As a youth icon, as a young gun, how would you motivate the youth of today? Just in one line.
Okay, so you can be only successful जब आप दुनिया को नहीं खुद को बदलने की कोशिश करोगे. So you need to have a clarity in mind, purity in heart, and sincerity in your actions. So that will be the motto.
That's a perfect mantra. You need to bring to bring the change in the world. First, change yourself. You are a very ardent devotee of His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji. So, in your words, how would you honor Shri Shri?
See, he is. I'm really grateful that I know such a person in my lifetime, that who is trying to make a big change. He is doing an amazing job तो नहीं कह सकती. He's doing amazing work in encouraging people, connecting with themselves. जहाँ से सारे रास्ते निकलते हैं. So the journey inwards is very important. And Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji is trying his level best to spread happiness around, and he's succeeding. He's changed so many lives, and I think that's the best thing you can do in a lifetime.
When he speaks about politics or administrators, bureaucrats, corruption, so in a book he got a book authored. Management Mantras. Okay. It's a very bestseller, one of the bestsellers. So there he is emphasizing on spiritualizing politics, spiritualizing bureaucrats, spiritualizing the highly corrupted sectors. How realistically possible it is in India?
अगर उस रास्ते पे हम सब चल पड़े, we would be a different nation for sure, and definitely it is possible. If I talk about myself, I don't know about the others, what they feel. Spirituality was the way I got, or I'm getting wiser. So similarly, if we connect everybody at every level on a spiritual level, just imagine what we're going to be.
True.
So everywhere it'll be happiness, and तभी हम सब खुश हो सकते हैं जब हम सब खुश हो सकते हैं. So that is there.
यही है राम राज्य की सही परिभाषा. This is what Ram Rajya is. Let's see how kind God is on us. I wish your wish comes true. The world lives a happy world life. Everyone lives happily. We live in a peaceful world. Why do you love Cosmic Lights Entertainment? Just because it's your profession, or there's much more love to it? There's a deeper meaning to it, a more purposeful, a more meaningful.
Okay, so when I kept the name Cosmic Lights, they are the guiding lights of the cosmos, the planets. But the actual vision was that we already we knew what we want. We actually wanted to celebrate life. We wanted to celebrate the happy moments of my clients. And एक होता है काम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की वजह से कि आपको करना है, एक होता है काम खुशी से और दिल से करते हुए. So what we encourage everybody who is working in a wedding, if 200 people are working in a wedding or a corporate event, may it be फूल लगाने वाला, may it be कपड़ा बांधने वाला, the only purpose that what we want them to do is to do it with a lot of love and happiness. तब जो काम निकल के सामने आता है वो अलग होता है. It's similar to like your mom making food for you, or somebody else doing it just for a responsibility. So it is the energy what is going in. So if you are celebrating life and happiness of clients with love and joy, life is something different. So that's exactly what we want to do.
True. Last two questions. Sudarshan Kriya is Guruji's invention to heal the human society.
Ji.
And it is considered to be very scientific. It's more of a technique that purifies and stress reliever, and it has been acclaimed worldwide. What is the impact of Sudarshan Kriya on the human society? Because Shri Shri is a world spiritual leader, the most acclaimed, much admired, even by the most pessimist people have come down on knees when it comes to debating with Shri Shri. He has revolutionized even the most radical, brought them to the level where they realize that peace, good karma, spiritual life, and there's much more to life than all the negativity that people are tapped around. How strong is the impact of Sudarshan Kriya in the human society worldwide?
So what I have felt, the kind of testimonials that I have heard, plus my own view on this, definitely it has immense health benefits. immense. You talk about any of your health issues, mostly are eradicated. And by far, which I have known, all of them. Second, if I talk about, sorry about that.
Sorry.
Second, if I talk about, it's like a key to your inner world. It's like a key. It's a spiritual key. If you plug in, if you do the Sudarshan Kriya, जब तक आप करके नहीं देखोगे, वो आप feel नहीं करोगे. So I would advise people who have not tried it, definitely you should try this, then you will feel it, what I'm talking about. It's a key to the inner world, which is much more beautiful. And if your inner world is beautiful, the outside world comes beautiful by itself. So it is the key to your actual happiness. The purpose of Sudarshan Kriya was this, that it should provide health, happiness, peace and memento. So it helps you to meditate, which helps open every path and all the answers to your questions. So I think it is the right way to go forward.
True that. Our last question today, as all our viewers know, Raina is a world-renowned icon, a person whose work is appreciated because it's classy, it's best, it's very creative, it's the next level. And the best part is the dedication. Now, when we say that she is a symbol of women empowerment, a firebrand youth icon, so as a symbol of feminism, we are staying in an age where feminism, women empowerment are trending topics. Many may be sincere, but there are many who just use or capitalize it to the benefit in many ways, where it is a form of a conspiracy, where innocent people are nailed down using the stringent laws like 498A, 376, crime against women. Frivolous litigations are being registered. So the two sides of coin. Her message to all the young girls, the super girls, her message to all the youngsters as a youth icon, and her view on feminism. To conclude our show today, Raina, please share your views.
So for all the women out there, I think that living according to a men's vision is not the ideal. Don't perceive yourself from their eyes. You have a lot of potential. Explore that potential. Show them their skill. Show them what you are.
But there are many men who are supportive.
And you should be grateful for the men who are supportive. Do not misuse the support.
True that.
आजकल इतने लोग सामने आ रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं for all the women, and I'm so grateful for all the men who are supporting the women around them, their daughters, their wives, their mothers. I'm so happy that they're doing it. We as women, A, should be grateful. B, we should realize the potential that we have. You know, there is no skin show which is required to show who you are. It is actually, the materialist world is different. The actual material, what is inside, you have a lot of potential, you have a lot of skill. Show that to the world.
True that.
And नारी एक शक्ति है, उस शक्ति को मिसयूज नहीं करना चाहिए. We can increase that power by utilizing it in the right manner. I think that is something which I would like to say.
Thank you, Raina. Very well said. On demand of our viewers, this interview was much awaited. We have been persuading, requesting her over a period of an year. Last year being the COVID year, we could not make it. But today, a lot of viewers, her followers, her admirers, because she herself has a very enormous worldwide fan following. So today, here you go, your superstar, your alpha woman, your super girl, your youth icon, Raina, was with us. We are honored to have her on our show. And as she concluded the message, Purush and Prakriti, man and woman, male and female, together make a good society. To make this better, to make this world a better place to live, we need to first cut down ego. जो हम अपने पौराणिक ग्रंथों में सुनते आए हैं, काम, क्रोध, मोह, लोभ, अहंकार, द्वेष, ईर्ष्या, हेटरेड, जेलसी एंड अपनी खुशी से खुश ना होकर दूसरे की खुशी से दुख होना। तो कथनी करनी एक होनी चाहिए। वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस व्हाट वी प्रीच एंड यू मस्ट follow the footsteps of real life heroes, the real superstars like Raina. Thank you everyone. This is Girish Suri with our special guest, firebrand woman icon, a real life superstar, a compassionate pet lover, a human in true sense, and a complete woman, what we say, is Raina Kapoor. Thank you. This is Girish Suri with Raina Kapoor signing off on TSR's Digital TV from Nari Shakti 2020 with Girish Suri. Jai Nari Shakti. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. TSR की कोई भी अपडेट मिस ना करें, हमारे फेसबुक पेज को आज ही लाइक और फॉलो करें।
TSR Digital TV. Opinion to impact.